Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's most fascinating destinations. Today, we're diving into a topic that will surely bring a smile to your face: the 5 most joyful and happiest countries on our beautiful planet. Get ready to uncover the secrets of happiness and join me on this delightful journey. Our first stop takes us to the picturesque country of Denmark, known for its cozy lifestyle and the concept of hygge. The Danes have mastered the art of finding joy in simple moments, like sipping hot cocoa by a crackling fireplace, or enjoying quality time with loved ones. It's no wonder Denmark consistently ranks among the happiest countries in the world. Next on our happiness tour is Finland, a land of stunning natural beauty. The Finns cherish their connection with nature and find solace in its vast forests, serene lakes, and the magical northern light. Their close bond with the outdoors and a strong sense of community contribute to their high happiness levels. Prepare to be mesmerized by Switzerland, a country renowned for its high quality of life and breathtaking alpine landscapes. The Swiss enjoy a perfect balance between work and leisure, embracing outdoor activities like skiing, hiking, and indulging in world-famous Swiss chocolate. It's no wonder their happiness factor is off the charts. Our happiness expedition takes us to Iceland, a place that seems straight out of a fairy tale. From its majestic waterfalls to geothermal hot springs, Iceland offers a haven of relaxation and tranquility. The Icelandic people's close connection with their unique environment, along with a strong social support system, contributes to their happiness and well-being. Last but certainly not least, we arrive in the land of the Kiwis, New Zealand. With its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm-hearted people, New Zealand has earned its reputation as a true paradise of happiness. The Kiwis' love for adventure, sustainable living, and embracing diversity creates an infectious positive spirit that permeates every corner of this remarkable country. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Our journey through the 5 happiest countries in the world has come to an end. From the cozy hygge of Denmark to the pure bliss of Iceland, each destination offers its unique recipe for happiness. Remember, happiness can be found in the simplest of moments and the connections we forge along the way. So, let's take inspiration from these joyful countries and spread happiness wherever we go. Join us on our next adventure as we continue exploring the wonders of our incredible world. Until then, keep chasing happiness, my friends, and may your travels be filled with joy.